baby deer again. And he's pretty close. And I'm gonna try to get a better view. Oh, this will be hard. Where is he? Am I getting him? Oh, wait, he's right there. There. Wait, oh guys, there's two. Do you see? Wait, there's that one right there, and then do you see the head of one? Like right there? Yeah, see? It's laying down. It's hard to see. Alright, I'm gonna try to get close. This isn't zoomed in or anything. Yeah, so. Oh, wow, they're letting me get real close. This looks a lot closer in person. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's one right there, and he's behind. Oh, the other one. Shoot, I went off camera. Oh. The other one's right under there. Okay, hold on. How much? Oh, yep, there they go. Let me just get, okay. Well, bye. You guys are really cute. I see you guys all the time. Bye. Poop from deers, but it's pretty old, I think.